Hi, second graders. For today's lesson, you'll need your blue folder and your pre-assessment writing from yesterday. Today, we're working on day 3. Write 3 goals. The objective is I can identify goals to make me a better writer. So yesterday, we looked at writing samples and could identify if the writing was opinion writing. We read opinion samples that had an opinion and gave reasons and examples to support the opinion. There's more than just an opinion and reasons that make a strong opinion writing piece. So in this opinion writing unit, you are going to learn how to write an opinion paragraph. If you turn to page 2 in your blue folder, you'll see a checklist the teachers made about what makes a good opinion paragraph. Let's see, it says, my paragraph begins with a topic sentence stating my opinion. I use transition words to transition between reasons. I wrote at least 2 reasons to support my opinion. I wrote an example or detail to support each of my reasons. I wrote a concluding sentence. I indented at the beginning of the paragraph. I put a period, exclamation point, or question mark at the end of every sentence. I used correct capitalization at the beginning of every sentence, for titles of movies and books, for specific names of people or animals, like we would capitalize the G in Genevieve because it's the name of Miss Calhoun's cat, not the word cat. And for specific names of places, and always the word I. And also, I used my neatest handwriting. Okay, so I'm going to look back at my pre-assessment writing and think about what I did well from this list and what I'm missing. So let me read through my writing again so I remember what I wrote. Let's see. It is important to learn to grow your own food. When a person learns to grow their own fruits and vegetables, they'll have a deeper appreciation for the farmers who grow the food that end up at farmers market or the supermarket. Growing fruits and vegetables can be challenging due to pests, soil, and weather. Learning to grow your own food also builds a love and appreciation for nature. As a gardener, you'll come into contact with different problems you'll need to solve. You'll also experience many celebrations too. Okay, let's see. So going back to my checklist, let's see. What did I do well? And what am I missing? So my paragraph begins with a topic sentence stating my opinion. Yes, I did that. I said it's important to learn to grow your own food. Okay, I used transition words to transition between reasons. Oh, I did not use any transition words. Okay, so I'm missing that. I wrote at least 2 reasons to support my opinion. Yes, I did. I wrote an example or detail to support each of my reasons. I wrote details. Okay. I wrote a concluding sentence. I completely forgot a concluding sentence. I indented at the beginning of my paragraph. I did not indent. Okay, missing that. I put a period, exclamation point, or question mark at the end of every sentence. Let me see. That was a long sentence, but yes, I should go back and edit that. Growing fruits and... yeah, I think I added the end marks there. Looks like it. And I use correct capitalization. Yep, the beginning of my sentences are capitalized. Yes. And I used my neatest handwriting. I used neat handwriting, but honestly, I could have made it a little neater. I rushed through some parts and it got a little messy. So I'm going to say so-so. Let's see, can you see the bottom of that there? There we go. That's my little symbol for so-so. Okay. Now I want to think about, looking at back here, there's a few things that I missed. So I can use these to help me write some goals today to help me become a better writer. All right, so let me go to page 9. Turning to page 9. Now let's see. So looking back, I didn't use transition words. That should be a goal of mine. Okay, so let me add that. I will use transition words between reasons. And that's going to help guide my reader through my writing. Okay, what else was I forgetting? Oh, I forgot to write a concluding sentence. I want to make sure that I remember to do that in my writing. So I'm going to say, I will write a concluding sentence to my paragraph. All right, going back. Now, I need to remember to indent, and you know what? I can probably also write slower to help my handwriting get neater. I'm going to combine those two for my last goal. So I'm going to say, I'm going to start now. Remember to indent at the beginning of my paragraph and write slowly so I can use my neatest handwriting. All right, can you see that? Yes. Okay. Okay, so writers, as a second grade teacher, I often see students working on similar goals. I'm going to list a few other goals that students have used in the past in case that helps you while you're making your own goals today. So some of these are, I will circle words that I am unsure of the spelling, then I will find the correct spelling of the circled words. I will reread my writing and check for spelling errors. I will use strong words and examples in my writing to convince others of my opinion. I will make sure my reasons and examples match my opinion statement. I will use a growth mindset with writing. I know that the more I practice, the better I'll get. One more I could add is I can practice leaving spaces between my words or making sure that my words have enough space in between them when I write. All right, so students, your job today is to look through your pre-assessment and use the checklist to see what you did and did not include in your writing. Remember to be kind to yourself. Our pre-assessment, this was just a way, teachers have not taught you this yet. So this is just a way to see what you know about opinion writing. So your goal is your job today is to write 3 goals for yourself that you think will help make you a better writer. So 1, look through your pre-assessment, use the checklist to see what you did and did not include. Remember, be kind to yourself. And then 2, write 3 goals for yourself that you think will help make you a better writer.